morning everyone. Today is Monday. It is Monday the 3rd. Monday the 3rd of June. I thought that this week I would film just like a weekish vlog, but focusing more on the physical activities that I'm doing. I've been trying to up just the amount of exercise I'm doing. I'm trying to work out more. I'm trying to eat a little bit healthier, and I'm just trying to make some healthy changes in my life to make my body function and feel better. So I thought I would just kind of take you with me this week, tell you what I'm doing every day. I tend to work out 5 days a week, which for some people sounds crazy, for some people is quite a normal amount to work out. For me, at the beginning of me trying to work out more, 5 days a week was a lot. I started on 2 days a week, then I went up to 3, then I went up to 4, and now I do 5, and every other week I do kind of 6 because I've got an every other week activity that I tend to do. So today is Monday. Today I've got a personal training session. I actually have 3 sessions this week. I've upped my sessions because I'm leaving to go to South America in 2 months, and I really started this fitness kick to get my body prepared for carrying around a rucksack and climbing Machu Picchu and just being really physical and really active every day for 6 weeks, because I don't want to be exhausted. And then my usual kind of split, who do I think I am? My usual kind of split of exercise would be 3 strength training sessions and then 2 or 3 purely cardio sessions. And then I do a Zumba class once a week, I do a spin class once a week, and then every other week I do a 5k run on a Saturday morning at the park. I'm also really pink. I haven't, oh my god, I'm so burnt. Yeah, I haven't been to the gym in a few days because for the past week, which is why I've been super, I mean, I'm always MIA. I'm always MIA. I've been super MIA recently because I've been doing my scuba diving training to get my PADI license and be an open water diver, so I could now legally go diving on my own, El Solo, off wherever I want, which is pretty freeing cool. Today I've got PT. Tomorrow I would usually do a spin class, but I'm actually gonna have a PT session instead because I'm going to Cornwall next week or the week after, and I wanna try and get in as many PT sessions as I can. And I'm also doing 2 cardio sessions this week anyway, so I can kind of sacrifice my spin class. I need to leave in about 10 minutes, so I quickly need to get changed. I'm gonna go do my PT session, and then I will speak to you guys afterwards because I'm gonna go on a dog walk with Laz. Whew. I'm home. Popped into Sainsbury's on the way home because I was running out of the essentials. The essentials for me being green beans, kiwi, broccoli, Greek yogurt, almond milk, nectarines and salmon. These things need to be in stock constantly. So I'm gonna make myself a protein shake. I also picked up a few things for the house. You've been asking for house stuff, so let me show you. A bath mat, a plain white fluffy one, just as a temporary one to go downstairs because my shower leaks. Please excuse the mess. I also picked up a new towel, some pillowcases, a sheet because at the moment I only have 1 sheet that I have to wash. So I want to have like them in 2 in rotation. And I also picked up a spice rack. I saw this and I really liked it. It matches my kitchen really well. I had a super good session, a really good workout. We did full body, and Monica's like really pushing me at the minute, which is obviously a good thing. I want to be pushed, that's why I see her. But I'm also like super exhausted all the time. Ah, isn't that nice? I need to make my protein shake. At the moment I'm having cookie and cream flavour and it's kind of grim. Before I was having hazelnut chocolate. That was the shit. That was so yummy. That can live there. It's no chocolate hazelnut. There we go. Just put on a little bit of my kind of, this is my everyday face. Look at my hair, you guys. You can still see a tiny bit of my purple just peeking through, like under here especially. Yeah, there we go. You can see it goes like purple into green. Just over a week I'm getting my hair done. I'm going back to blonde and I'm really excited because as much as I love the purple and it was super duper fun, I want to be blonde for summer, and I want to be blonde for my travels, and we're getting to the point where I need to start getting my hair, you know, how I want it for when I go away. Morning, hello. Yesterday ended up being a massive flop. I didn't see Laura in the end. I just kind of sat around, didn't get very much done. It was a very unproductive day, and I'm actually seeing Laura today. Like, I'm actually gonna see her today, and we're gonna hopefully go on a dog walk, get a little bit of sunshine. I mean, if the sun comes out today, it's really grey right now. And then I've got a PT session at 3:30. Yesterday was a super good PT session. Felt really strong, which is nice. That's why I go because I like to feel strong. It is currently 9:45. I've just edited my star eyes video. I'm just gonna pop on light makeup. I don't want to wear anything crazy because obviously I'm just going for breakfast at my friend's, and then going to the gym. I'm running late. Here's my makeup. There is nothing groundbreaking on my face right now. Weekday jumper, ASOS jeans. I'll put on a bit of perfume because I haven't seen her in like 2 months, so I don't want her to think that I suddenly got stanky. Lipstick, blankety. Sure. A little something. I might see you when I get back. I might see you on the dog walk. I might see you on the way to the gym. We'll find out, won't we? Just got back. Now I'm gonna run off to the gym. Oh my god. It's not even focusing on me. It's like, you look too rough. I'm not gonna focus on you. Is it rain? Is it sweat? It's both. That was a good session. We did full body. My friend Liz, who you guys have met a few times, you'll see her on Saturday because we're doing the 5K on Saturday together, and we're going to World's Oceans Day on Carnaby Street as well together, and I'll take you along there. So you'll meet Liz soon. She just texted me. She texted me about 10 minutes before my session asking if I want to run a 10K with her. That's in 6 weeks. So I like that it set me a new goal, because my first goal was to run 5K, and I ran it. I did it. I ran 5K. I now, you know, want to get my time better and stuff, but I physically ran for an entire 5K, which was one goal. And now my new goal is to run 10K. I like my goals to not be weight goals. I like to have, like, as in like body weight goals. I like to have non-scale victories, I believe they're known well as. My goal is to be building muscle, and obviously the more muscle I build, I'll be gaining weight. So I don't think that, honestly, the scale is the most accurate way to judge, you know, my success. I'm having a protein shake, by the way. A goal is still to do 1 push-up. 1 single push-up. I have never done one. I can do them on my knees. I'm getting really good at those. But I can't do 1 full push-up. That's my goal before I go. 10K, guys. It's not gonna be easy, but I've got 6 weeks to train. And between now and then, I'm running 5Ks. I better start working. Today, I would usually have my spin class tonight, but my spin instructor is on holiday, lucky thing. So I had a PT session instead. I'm gonna drink my protein shake, and I'm gonna have a shower. Good morning, everyone. It's actually 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's definitely not the morning. I just filmed this look that I posted on my Instagram, and you guys all really liked, so I was like, I should probably do a full-on tutorial, so I did. Today, fitness wise, is my rest day. I'm just kicking about, chilling, editing, filming. I'm trying to get my shit together. I lied. I just went onto my gym's website, and I really wanted to do a legs, bums and tums class today, because I've never tried the legs, bums and tums class at my gym before. It's always booked up. Like, I'll go on in the morning to book it as soon as it becomes available to book, and it will already be booked up. It's now 5 o'clock. The class is at 6:15, and I went onto the website to book a class for next week, and there was 1 space left. I think someone must have cancelled last minute, so I've just booked it. So I am going to actually go to the gym today, but it's just a 45 minutes kind of strength session, but I haven't done this class before, so I thought I would go while it was available. I thought I would check it out. So I just took all that makeup off. I literally put all of my blacks in the washing machine like 10 minutes before I book the class. So I need to leave in an hour and 15. I just put my clothes in the washing machine. That's all of my leggings, all of my sports bras, and all of my gym gear. Everything is black. It's honestly, on my rest days is when I wash all my gym clothes. So I'm a little bit concerned that I'm not gonna have anything to wear. I'm gonna have to try and salvage something. Wish me luck. I'll let you know how it goes. I'm running out the door, I'm running late, but my leggings dried, my top did not, so I'm wearing a Sabrina the Teenage Witch t-shirt to the gym. I guess that's happening. Okay, I gotta go. I'm running so late. That was so intense. My hair's just like slicked back. It was circuit training until failure for 45 minutes. But I'm really glad that I went. When the class was over, I was literally sat on my mat just like, it was super duper hard. My arms feel like jelly. I know it was legs, bums and tums, but there was quite a lot of arms, a lot of shoulders in this session. I don't know why for a legs, bums and tums, but it was basically just a full body. Do you like my water bottle? Got unicorns on it. When my hair was really purple, I walked in with my purple water bottle. And Monica was like, you look like a fairy. Before I get too comfortable, I need to go shower because otherwise I will not move. Oh, I'm in the shadows. It is a sunny, glorious day today, you guys. And my neighbours are literally right in front of me and they can just see me talking to myself. I look a little bit crazy. It is Thursday today. I am heading to the post office. I've got a huge ASOS parcel to return. I hope I don't get banned, lol. I've also got quite a few mugs to send. If you haven't yet picked up an EmmasRectangle mug, then there is always a link in the description box. But first I'm gonna go swing by my dad's house because he has a couple of parcels for me there. I look like death today. I'm wearing my Jurassic Park t-shirt, which means I'm ready for business. Oh, I wish you'd seen that. My neighbours just got automatic automatic gates installed in the front of their house, and they've got a little boy, and she was like, open sesame, and the gates opened, and the little boy was like, ah. That was so cute. Oh my god. Today is booty pump and Zumba day, but that's this evening, so I've got the day to myself. Just got a food shop in. I'm just doing chores and stuff today. I'm gonna tidy my kitchen. And then I need to edit. Right, I'm outside my dad's. Just went and got the parcel and it's from Benefit, which means it's gonna be a good... Oh my god, I'm so excited. It's their new Hello Happy foundation. I didn't vibe with the original Hello Happy because it was super, because it was a bit matte for me. But this is the Flawless Brightening Foundation. And powder! I will have a play with that. My Zumba class just got cancelled, so I've just got booty pump. Right, on to the next thing. Let's go drop off my parcels. Ooh, what's in here? Ooh, it's the whole extension of the NARS Orgasm line. I love Orgasm. It's like my favourite blush, but what's this? They're all creams. Honestly, I still can't believe that NARS send me things. For me, NARS was a brand that I would save up all my money so that I could like buy one thing or like buy a blush or whatever. Oh, it's a highlighter. Thank you so much, NARS. NARS and Benefit, two of my favourite brands of all time. They are probably my two favourite brands. It's a good PR day, guys. Bits and bobs I had to get done have been done. Hello, I actually decided to sack off booty pump. I know, because I realised I'm not going to have a rest day this week otherwise, so that's really bad. So I decided to take it off. Instead, I'm actually going to drink wine. So I'm going to pop to the shops and I'm going to go buy a bottle of wine, not just for me, Laura and Will, and we're going to book our flights tonight. So I'm going to go get them some snacks, and yeah, then we can celebrate booking our trip, and I'm really excited. Good morning, guys. Yesterday I cleaned and tidied my living room, which is already starting to look a little bit like a mess. I also cleaned my kitchen. Oh, so fresh and so clean and so green. I went to Tesco's yesterday and I saw these bowls and I really like them. So I picked up 3 of these ones and then 2 of these little baby ones. Laura's popping around this morning because they didn't come round last night. This is literally like the 3rd, 4th time we've rescheduled booking our flights. It's like, are we actually gonna go on this trip? When she comes around, I'm gonna let her go through the bag. Sometimes it's the bag, sometimes it's the box. It's basically overflow of products that I know I won't use or need or isn't my shade, that whenever a friend comes around, I'm like, go through the box, take whatever you want. So hopefully she'll get some nice things. She'll have a nice little haul when she leaves. I have just had a look at my calendar and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm a little bit overwhelmed. I leave my house for like 11 days on Tuesday. Right now it is Friday. I'm in London all day tomorrow, and then I've got Sunday, and then Monday I'm going to see my grandma, and then Tuesday I've got a 6 AM PT session, and then I'm going straight to Warwick. So in that time I need to pack for not just Warwick but also Cornwall, because we're going straight from Cornwall to Warwick. No, we're going straight from Warwick to Cornwall on Friday, and I realized, I was like, I'm gonna try and get back onto 2 or 3 videos a week, and I've just looked at my calendar and I didn't realize I only have 1 day. Ooh, we'll be fine, we'll be fine. I don't even have time to be talking to you. I need to go. Her face is done. I had a bad eyeliner day today, you guys. It was a bad day for liner, but it's okay. I need coffee. I am so tired. If you've not picked up an EmmasRectangle mug, they're linked down below as always. I'm gonna end this vlog here. Spontaneous vlog stopping. Gonna eat some yogurt. The next vlog is gonna be me running 5k. We're gonna go to London. We're gonna go to the World Oceans Day event in London. Me and some friends. I'm gonna go get my makeup done at Urban Decay. So if you want to see that, make sure you tune in the next vlog. But thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you are new and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.